If you're looking for the best anti-aging serums, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have LOral Paris 1.5% Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Here we have the Revitalift formula from LOral Paris. It has a lightweight gel consistency that absorbs quickly in your skin. Therefore, it is said to show results within a week. So you can expect to get radiant, plump, and firm facial skin in a week. In addition to this, the serum has hyaluronic acid, which is quite beneficial for our skin. It not only attracts hydration but also improves skin color and your complexion. And do not worry, though it has acid in its name, it is not pungent. Hyaluronic acid is just like other components that result in multi-depth moisturization. And then there is vitamin C, which will brighten up your skin. Of course, it is an antioxidant and is famous for its radiant effects. You can even use this serum as a primer on your face. Furthermore, it is suitable for every skin type. So whether you have oily, dry, or oily to dry skin type, you will love the results. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Eva Naturals Vitamin C Anti-Aging Serum. Here we have one of the most loved vitamin C serums for the face. If you like the scent of the products it use, you will surely gonna love it. Because unlike the previous two, this Eva Naturals serum has a tea tree and ylang-ylang scent, so it will feel refreshing and calming during application. It has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid as the main components that will enhance moisture content and will also make your skin radiant and bright. In addition to this, their formula also contains niacinamide, which is responsible for dealing with skin problems. So if you have acne or your skin appears red or has an uneven tone, this will deal with them, thus bringing you an even skin tone. And then there is retinol that will cleanse your pores and make them look smaller. Furthermore, cleaner pores mean less acne. The number 3 position is held by TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. This vitamin C serum from TruSkin has vitamin C, E, and hyaluronic acid as their main components. In addition to this, it also has aloe vera and jojoba oil that will bring a soothing effect. So you will not only work on anti-aging but will also get better texture and radiance in your skin. In addition to this, the formula works on treating dark spots. So if you have two-tone skin, or have dark spots or light spots, this will definitely work on them. Thus, you can have your even-toned skin type. And of course, the main purpose of this serum is to bring back the youthful looks, so it also works to fight wrinkles. The amazing thing is that their formula is plant-based. And according to them, they are not using any synthetic chemicals and even fragrances and GMO, so you can relax and use it comfortably. Next at number 4, we have Skinmedica Half-Life Rejuvenating Hydrator. It hydrates skin instantly and for up to 8 hours thereafter using 5 distinct components. Even a little quantity of this moisturizing serum will make your skin appear and feel immediately smoother and plumper. It's moisturizing enough to use on its own on hot summer days, yet light enough to apply beneath moisturizer if your skin is greasy. It protects our joints, nerves, hair, skin, and eyes by cushioning and lubricating them. When used in skincare, it works as a moisture binder, attaching itself to the water in the cells and plumping them up. It works quickly and is excellent for delicate lines. The number 5 position is held by Vichy LiftActive Supreme Serum. Essential minerals and volcanic water build the skin barrier and protect it from UV radiation and pollutants, while hyaluronic acid moisturizes and plumps the skin. It has been proven to improve skin renewal by increasing collagen, elastin, and cellular turnover. Smoothing, firming, and enhancing brightness are all possible with this formula. It contains fragmented hyaluronic acid, which provides significant hydration, a naturally derived plant sugar that helps to tighten skin and remove wrinkles and creases after 10 days of usage. The number 6 position is dominated by Paulas Choice Wrinkle-Repair Retinol Serum, another excellent retinol-based product. It also has the additional advantage of being mixed with powerful antioxidants and moisturizing squalene, all of which work together to reduce wrinkles and making skin appear healthier and younger. Vitamin C in an oil-soluble, stable form that penetrates the skin and promotes collagen formation. Retinol is the genuine article, one of the few products that really works to eliminate wrinkles. It promotes the production of collagen, which helps to keep the skin tight. It contains antioxidant qualities that help to keep free radicals at bay. It increases cellular turnover, which reduces wrinkles and dark spots. A unique combination of retinol and antioxidants reduces wrinkles, improves firmness, evens out skin tone, and reduces red spots, leaving skin glowing. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Drunk Elephant T.L.C. Night Serum. One of my favorite serums is Drunk Elephant. It is one of Sephora's most rapidly expanding skincare brands. It has become the serum of world's favorite. Chemical exfoliation without dryness or sensitization is achieved with this clever combination of glycolic, tartaric, citric, and salicylic acids, which also controls excess oil and exposes noticeable clarity and brightness. It's best used at night, layered under a regular moisturizer, or combined with a few drops of the brand's Virgin Marula Face Oil for added hydration. The combination of alpha and beta-hydroxy acids is beneficial for all skin types, and it also helps whatever products you apply to thereafter penetrate more effectively. The number 8 position is held by Isdinceutics Melatonik Overnight Recovery Serum. It's one of my favorites since it includes bakuchiol, a natural, plant-based alternative to retinol that accelerates cellular renewal without causing irritation as retinol may. Use it overnight to help repair free radical damage caused by the day's activities. She adds that it also includes the antioxidant dynamic duo melatonin and vitamin C, making it an excellent multi-purpose composition. This product has chemicals that have been proven to minimize wrinkles, hydrate, increase collagen, soothe sensitive skin, and lighten dark spots. Melatonin, vitamin C, and bakuchiol are added to provide antioxidants, healing, fortifying, firming, anti-wrinkle, moisturizing, and brightening properties. It enhances the suppleness and firmness of the skin and helps to remove the fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, dryness, and sun damage. It also moisturizes, smooths, and noticeably rejuvenates the skin. Next at number 9 we have Elizabeth Arden Retinol Ceramide Capsules Night Serum. The 2 strains that are resistant to stomach acid and bile are Lin-1 easy-to-use capsule. This luxurious, lightweight, semi-translucent serum combines 2 of the most well-known skincare brands. Ceramides are wrinkle-smoothing and moisture-boosting ceramides that have been scientifically proven, formulated to help guard against the dryness that retinol is known for. They're eye-catching since they are packaged in pink, adorable single-use capsules, similar to Elizabeth Arden Ceramide capsules. This not only guarantees that the product is fresh each time you use it, but it also maintains it sanitary and portable. The capsules combine retinol's strong line erasing properties with ceramides and help to repair skin barrier properties. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Violet C Brightening Serum. It's a brightening serum with 20% vitamin C and 10% alpha-hydroxy acids that softens and smooths the skin for a more radiant, even-toned appearance, oil-free, fragrance 7 superfruits uneven skin and dull skin, while Japanese angelica root extract diffuses hyperpigmentation, spots, discoloration, and scarring without the use of harsh lightening agents. The serum's fluid texture absorbs quickly, making application simple. This skin-friendly, highly concentrated formula has a long-lasting anti-aging and brightening effect. Japanese Beauty boost and stabilizes the effects of 2 types of vitamin C, which provide antioxidant activity to protect against irritants and pollution. A natural serum that aids in the softening, smoothing, and brightening of the skin. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.